Hey, man, we're doing a windshield. We're gonna put a windshield wiper. We're gonna put a windshield wiper on the golf cart here. We got the windshield wiper here, and then we got all the attachments for it. I'll show you that in a minute. You could get you a drill bit. You could get you a drill bit, but I always just take a dremel tool and go about 3 inches down from the top, 7 to 8 inches over, and then drill a hole about 5/8 thick. Let's see here. We normally have a better dremel tool than this, but I sent my guy to go get one the other day because I burned up. And he come back with this right here from Harbor Freight. That's made for a dentist. Then what I do once I get it going, just take it and cut the hole. But the reason I don't use a drill bit, man, because sometimes the drill bit shatters the windshield. Dremel tool's faster, but like I said, the Dremel tool brand works better than this cheap stuff. Sometimes, man, you better off go get stuff yourself, man. Then what I do is take this. You got your, whoa. You got your bolt here. Flip through like that. On the other side, you put the bushing first. You put the bushing first. And then you put the flat washer. And then the big nut. I recommend adjusting this here out as far as you can. That way when you fold down the windshield, it don't hit. So what I'm gonna do is take it. So I got the bolt in there. Now you want to take 11/16 wrench and tighten her up. Don't tighten it too tight because you got rubber bushings in there. You don't want to compress it. You don't want to compress it where you crack the windshield. You just snug it. All right. And then you got your handle. You got your handle here. You put this through there. Put it through there like that. Now what I do is I keep it. Let me show you this first. On the wiper here, I take it and straighten it out there. Don't pop back like I did, hurt your finger. But I try to keep it straight together. So I put this on there. I put this like this. And then I put this here on the same way. So I'm gonna put them like this. I'm gonna do it up top here. Like to take the plastic piece back so you can get it. Straight back this here. But you got two tension on it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, put it straight. Alright, like that there. And you can't see it, can you? Can you see it? Can you see it there?
Right there.
Alright. You see that right there? Then you put the nut on there. We do a lot of these, man, for street legal kits. My opinion, I think it's useless.
It's more for looks than anything.
Yeah, it is, man.
Just to get by for
Inspection.
because nobody never uses them.
But we have a lot of customers that go to North Carolina and even drive here street legal. And in order to do that, they have to have a windshield wiper, a manual windshield wiper on a DOT windshield. Oh, I got my wrench.
I will say it's cheaper than a motorized one.
Oh yeah. You tell me he say that?
No, I was just saying.
Oh, you got pulse?
No.
Oh, okay, pulse. Oh no. Yeah, theirs are cheaper than it's cheaper than motorized one. But really, man, I mean, in the rain, who's going to?
Really, a golf cart. I feel like a golf cart. You don't have to.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's not like a vehicle. You're not getting like a lot of kickback from vehicles. You
That's
know what I
right.
mean?
Oh yeah, that's right. You got 10 millimeter here, but you're right, man. It ain't like a car going 70 miles an hour. Now you can buy these anywhere. Now I like the one that's got the solid glass windshield, like the 2.5 and all that.
They come in the REV.
Yeah, now,
2.5.
yeah. Now to me, they're good as far as that. I mean, to me, a windshield wiper on that is good because it's a glass windshield. Then I'm gonna take this thing off. It's got a rubber protector on there. Take it off. And I'm not gonna scratch the windshield because it might scratch it. I'll let the customer do that. But you can see there, like that area works. All right, try to rain and go outside and drive. See how it works. All right, man, stay tuned, man. We'll post some more. Well, I got you on here, man. I'm gonna show you here. You got to have reflectors. You can buy them in any parts store. You got to have now. This is a street legal kit now. Speedometer, turn signals, seat belts, and all rows. What else, Travis? It has it run 21 miles an hour.
Yes. You tell them seatbelt, side mirrors.
Yes, so you got to have side. You got to have side mirrors.
Rear view mirror.
A rear view mirror. Those are requirements here. Turn signals, seat belts, 21 miles an hour, brake lights, horn, turn signals,
Tail light.
tail lights, caution, the decal there is missing. Yeah. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more, man.